Take a moment to check out the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado HD. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Aim higher than ever in the all-new Silverado pickup, the truck that digs deep to give you more of what you want and need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.